So, I got a new package just today. And no, I am not sponsored by USA Gun Store. But please hit me up. So today we're just going to be unboxing. You'll see in just a moment. Sorry about that, the camera just fell. So, let's open this. Okay. Oh shit. Not going well. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Get out of the way. Okay, so packaging, sticker, and there we go. Let me see this. Oh, that's nice. Anyway, that's it, and just point the camera a little bit more up. And here we go. This is the RG Eva Unit 1, and all I'm gonna do is unbox it. There will be just getting over here. This box is really big. Oh, as you can see, I have another package in there. But let's look at all the bags. We have this bag. This looks like a hand and pallet rifle plus stickers. That's pretty cool. And the pre-molded parts, or not even pre-molded, just double injection molded, I guess. These are pretty cool. I like these. Then we got armor parts plus inner frame, I guess, and umbilical cable. And we got more armor, more inner frame pieces. This is very organic looking. Of course, this is the DX set, so we're gonna have the transport platform, red pieces, and yep. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the mouth of the Eva actually has teeth, which is pretty cool. Crap. Anyway, just leave that there. We got more transport stuff, orange pieces, more transport. We got the AT field. That's pretty cool. And hold on, let me just light this up. We got an advertisement for 30 mission kit and other stuff. 1/60th scale Mazinger Z. That's pretty cool. Damn! 13,000 yen, that is a lot. And then other stuff here that I don't really care about. Of course, we have the, I think this, I have no idea. Oh, wow. Anyway, this is just telling you how to build it, and we got the instructions. Get out of the way. Oh god, an avalanche. Whatever. Okay, let's take a look at each bag. So let's just open it up. So first off, we got this really small clear piece. This is supposed to be the core of the Eva. And it looks so nice. Damn. Bandai Spirits Japan 2020. And of course I can't read Nihongo, so if anyone can, but please translate this in the comments. Then we got the silver pieces. Of course it's only with the DX set. At least that's, I think, the only piece that comes with the DX set. At least from this. So umbilical cable pieces, pretty cool. I'm not a huge fan of injection molded metallic plastic. But I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's better than the rest of Bandai's silver plastic. Then we got normal red pieces, mouth, other stuff, I don't know what. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we got this, which is the double injection molded plastic. So we got the horn, that's actually really nice. We got the biceps, and we got the eyes as well. Damn. Next up, we have inner frame pieces. These have a very nice, like, semi-gloss feel to them. And, well, it just looks so organic. I like it. That was runner D, this is runner E. All the other runners are runner M, runner F1, runner K, and runner L. Now, next up, sticker bag. So we got some foil stickers, some stickers for the DX set. There's a sticker for the entry plug. I don't think I'm going to use a lot of these. Probably just the DX set stickers and that's it. So yeah, that's nice. Then we got runner J, which are hands and the pallet rifle, and the entry plug right here. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, this thing's supposed to be 175 centimeters? Or, no, was it millimeters? Because if it was 175 centimeters, it would be my height. Anyway. Now we got more armor pieces. I think, yeah, this is the head. And this are just more armor pieces. Oh yeah, I forgot to name the runners. Runner A and runner G1. Next up. We got runners B1, more armor pieces, and this one's really pointy. I think that's the back. And yeah, then runner C, more inner frame pieces. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, I've seen many people complain about this joint. I'm just gonna glue it together when I build it. So yeah, that should solve the issue. Next up, DX bag. We got XA. Should have said DX. Anyway, so this is just one piece of base. These are really huge pieces. Never had any model kit piece that big. Next up, we have like the towers for holding the Eva in place. It's XC and XC. Exactly the same. Next up, let me just clean this up. Oh yeah, and I forgot, from one of the bags, the copper cable. This thing's actually really heavy. And, oh, it's just a solid copper wire. It's not a cable, like I thought it would be, which is actually a lot better. Pretty strong too. Anyway. Next up, we got more DX pieces. This is for the rest of the transport unit. No name on the runner. Maybe because they're exactly the same. Oh wait, I'm just covering it. So it's XB and XD. Now on to more normal pieces. These are, oh, a cable for the pallet rifle, and the rest is just for on top of the Eva. I wonder if this is fluorescence. And then we got gunmetal pieces. These actually look fairly nice. Maybe because you can't see the lines as much, but that's probably why. I like these. Now, I can't find the force field. What am I saying? Force field? I can't. Oh, I found it. Never mind. What was I saying? Let me just get this out of the way. Next, we got the AT field. This looks nice. It shines a lot. There are hands specifically for these, and this is part of the DX set as well. And so are those hands for, I think they're called the AT ripping hands, AT field ripping hands. I don't know. So I'm not sure if I should open this or not. Who cares? I'll just do it. So this is the AT field. That looks sweet. Oh, hi there. Oh, it's even more vibrant on the back. Oh, it forms a ring. Or is that because I have light above? That is pretty cool. So, yep, that's it for the unboxing, and thanks for watching. If you want to see me review this, please like and subscribe, turn on bell notifications for every time I post a new video, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!